Okay, so now that we're getting ready to draw our lines, I already drew one. The way we do it is you want to position yourself directly above the cast, looking, straight down the long axis, and you want to close one eye and then line up the ruler with your mark back here as well as your mark up here. So closing one eye, looking straight down, lining up the ruler to the correct position, and then you draw your line. And what you want to do is, after you check it, you want to make sure you look straight down. With both lines drawn, you shouldn't see these two lines underneath. You should not see these two lines underneath when it's perfectly lined up. You're closing one eye, you're looking down, you look straight above it, because you want to make sure that this line is above the ridge. And then this too. Now with these casts, this ridge is fairly straight, and so it's pretty easy to get it right on ridge. This one, it kind of curves, so you're going to probably end up slightly lingual to the ridge with your line, which is fine. It's all an approximation, and they understand that this ridge isn't perfectly straight. So once you're done drawing both lines, and this is the key part, getting this occlusal plane and these lines drawn correctly is going to save you a lot of time and headache later. So make sure that these lines are drawn well and accurately, and also obviously these lines. If these lines aren't accurate, or these dots aren't accurate, then these lines aren't going to be accurate. So first thing, make the correct markings on your cast. Second thing is make this occlusal plane in the correct position. Make sure it's level, make sure it's where it's supposed to be. And third thing is make sure that these lines are lined up where they're supposed to be. And if you mess up drawing the lines, it's really easy to just take a little bit of that same alcohol you can get from the torch, or you can just put it in a cup. It's a little bit easier, and then you can just rub it off. It comes off pretty easily with the actual alcohol. This is dry now, but just rub it off. It comes off really easily. Then dry it off, and then you're ready to redraw. And that's a really quick way to get it off. Okay.